What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, almost about 2 months ago, we received the security patch for the Galaxy Watch 7 series as well as the 7 Ultra series. And after that, we got another update for the Galaxy Watch 7. And that was a minor update for stability improvements. And now a similar update has been pushed out onto the Galaxy Watch Ultra as well. Now you can also check this update on the phone. All you need to do is just go to the wearable application and make sure you have connected your watch to the phone. Tap on watch settings, scroll all the way down, you will see watch software update. Just tap on that. Since I've already downloaded and transferred the data of this update to the watch, it is not showing up here. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to see this page. Now this is something new here. You can see this banner is looking something similar to One UI 7's banners that we get now on the security patches or the OS upgrades, and it's actually kind of cool. But what's important here is about the changelog. We've got stability and reliability improvements. The stability has been improved, it says, and there is nothing much mentioned in the changelog. And as you can see, the size is 168.73 MB and the version ends with AXL1. You can just tap on install now to install the update. Now let me install the update on the watch. Let me go to the settings. Since it's already transferred, I will just tap on install. I'll tap on download and install, and I'll tap on install now. Now it is going to take a few minutes to install this update, and once it is done, let's quickly check out the watch and see if there is anything new there. Alright, it took almost about 10 minutes and the watch has been updated, as you can see here. And now let's open the quick panel and let's open a few applications and see how it is performing, if there is any lag or stutter. Let me open the quick panel here. As you can see, it is quite quick to respond. The moment you swipe down, it immediately opens up the quick panel. Over a period of time, we do see some lags on Samsung Galaxy watches when it comes to this, but this watch seems to be doing quite well without any issues. Now let's scroll towards the right to check out these styles. You see it's pretty smooth. Now let's check out the notifications on the left. Now let me open a few applications. Let's open Samsung Health. It's quick. Let's open messages. Let's open phone dialer. Let me open the settings here. As you can see, it's quick to respond and it is very smooth as well. So in terms of lags and stutters, there is no issues whatsoever on this watch. And this new update should also improve the stability on the watch. And as far as the battery performance is concerned, this watch has got 590 mAh battery and it can last up to 3 days on the normal mode. But if you're tracking your run using GPS and if you're tracking your exercise for almost an hour a day, then slightly more than 2 days is what this watch can give you. Until the Galaxy Watch Ultra, the best performing watch from Samsung in terms of battery life was the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which you can see here. This has same size battery. This has got 590 mAh, which is the same on the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra as well. And this watch can give you more than 3 days of battery life. And some people claim that they get almost about 4 days, but I always got slightly more than 2.5 or 3 days on this watch. And it's a similar result that I'm getting on the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra as well. So in terms of battery performance, more than 2 days if you're using it extensively, and more than 3 days if you're using it on power saving mode. But if you're using the LTE variant, then you may get slightly more than 2 days because the LTE version eats up the battery when the network is turned on. That is something to note here. But on the Bluetooth variant, you should be getting more than 3 days easily. Drop a comment and let me know what is your battery performance. Whichever watch that you use, do drop a comment and let me know how is the battery performing on your model. Now this is something which I want to share with you guys in this video. Let me know if you have got the update yet. If you haven't got it yet, do wait for it. You will be getting it very soon. That's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.